Greetings everyone. My name is Roger Fairmont and I'm going to create my shipowner account on DealGo. This is the very first screen when I go to the website. The sign up button can be easily found at the top right corner. In the first step, I get to choose the account type. However, there is only beta type for now. Here it explains what I can do with this account. It's mostly about familiarizing myself with using the platform and preparing it to conduct my business later. So, I click on Get Started. The next step is where I select my profession or main user type as written here. So far, there are 4 out of 8 user types. I can read here to see what privileges I have with this user type. In the third step, I finally get to enter my data, and it's a short and simple form, just my company name, personal name, email address, phone number, and of course the password. In the final step, I get a summary of the previous steps. I chose a beta account, a shipowner user type, and here are my profile data. I can go back in case I mistype something or submit the information. After submitting, a verification code will be sent to my email. And that's it. I've successfully created an account. In the next videos, we'll explore the main features to help you get started with using DealGo. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. See you in the next tutorial.